So my question is, what should institutions look for? What are those essential features that they need uh, in order to support students more effectively, considering all the challenges that we have spoken about so far? Tammy, can I get your thoughts on that?
Yeah. So the tools, what do the tools need to, is that your question, right?
What should institutions look for when adopting digital tools, especially given all the challenges?
Right. Well, my institutional research colleague would say an API first and foremost, because we need systems that will integrate together, right? Multiple tools, right? We need multiple tools working together, not in silos. And so for us, as we have a student success technology platform that is kind of our enterprise success technology system, but we have multiple data sources feeding into that, right? And so for those to be able to speak together, for that plumbing to work, to where we can have a space as professionals where we can see the data, right? Where we can go in and we can have access to data. We see the data in a way that is making sense, that is actionable. And so rather than having 5, 10, 15 systems where people are working in their own individual space, at our institution, we're bringing all of those together so that everyone can see how those systems are working, and doing that in a way that's standardized and systematic, and so that we can take actions for the students appropriately. And so I think first and foremost, systems need to be able to speak to one another, and software programs, platforms, whatever it may be, because we need as much data as we can have on our students so that we can take that personalized, proactive approach and see those leading indicators, not the lagging indicators, right? Can see, is this, and then also be able to say, is this more career readiness focused? Is this more engagement focused? Is this more academic preparedness focused? But you've got to have those systems where they're speaking to one another, and that takes time to build out, but it's essential.
Thank you. Uh,
Co-sign everything Tammy said. Sorry, yeah, that integration is so critical.